Start your Roku setup by plugging the Roku Streaming Stick firmly into an available HDMI port on your TV. Make sure it is inserted completely. Now connect the USB power cable to your Roku device and plug it into the included wall adapter instead of the television USB port. Next, turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where your Roku device is connected to display the Roku welcome screen. Now select your preferred language using the Roku remote, then continue to the next screen to start connecting your Roku device. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list and continue the Roku Wi-Fi setup using a strong and stable internet connection. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully using the Roku remote, then wait while Roku connects to your wireless network automatically. Once Roku connects to Wi-Fi, it automatically checks for updates, downloads the latest software, and installs important security and streaming improvements. After updating, Roku displays an activation code. Keep this screen open because you need this code to activate Roku online. Using your phone or computer, sign into your Roku account or create a new account if this is your first Roku device. Type the Roku activation code exactly as shown on your TV. Roku automatically links your device to your account within seconds. Select your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and Prime Video to personalize your Roku home screen. Your Roku setup is complete. Open any streaming app, start watching your favorite content, and enjoy your Roku streaming device.